Hi guys! Welcome back to another unboxing. Quick unboxing because I got the Galaxy S25 FE. Yay! As soon as this was released online, bumili agad ako. Purchase agad ako. Kasi I've been wanting this one. Murang version ng Galaxy S25 FE. FE stands for Fan Edition. So unbox na natin. In-order ko siya online and then I swap my other phone. I-reveal ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinang-swap ko dito. So, para makales kasi tipid mode tayo. So, ito, naka-sealed siya. Ito. And then, lagi doon ako nag-order. So, ayun. Pansin ko palagi, pag hindi fake yung seal, matigas siya. Hindi siya yung smooth na matatanggal. So, palaging ayan o. Yung may ganito, yan. Hindi smooth talaga. Anyway, this phone is 8 GB of RAM and 512 internal. Yun na yung maximum. And hindi siya expandable. Sad. Yan, sa ilalim ito. What I like about this, the one I read on the specification of this phone is yung camera. Dala niya pa rin yung 8K niya. 30 FPS. So, why not? And it has a bigger screen. Ayan. So to, the color is icy blue. Wow. To, may camera kasi ako dito eh. This one. Para siyang light blue, light lavender. Or because sa ilaw lang di sa likod ko. And then, this is the camera bump. 1, 2, 3. Akala ko dalawa lang. Yung ano yata yon, yung edge yata yung dalawa lang. Then, what else in the box? Of course, wala nang iba. Wala siyang kasamang 25 watt travel charger. Wala siyang kasama upon checking out. So, ito lang, Type-C to Type-C. And then, the SIM ejector pin. Of course, Samsung cares. Wala na. Balik natin dito. And for the phone. Charan! I love the feeling. On na natin. So, first impression is makapal siya oh. And, of course, malaki siya. Na-miss ko yung mga malalaking phone. I bought some other accessories. This is the Galaxy S25 FE clear case. This one. And yung anti-reflecting film. So, ano ito? Parang screen protector na rin. So, yun lang guys. I'll be back after a few weeks or few days for this quick review. So, yun lang guys. Ito, hindi to free may bayad to. Itong dalawa. Ito. So, yun lang guys. See you again on my YouTube channel. Go over to my YouTube channel for other unboxing videos. And for this one, review for this one. Yun lang guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Guys, bonus clip. Ito yung sa film. Buksan na rin natin. Anyway, unboxing tayo. Alam ko may pagka-shade of blue siya or clear lang talaga. Itong si anti-reflective film. Kapal ng casing, no? Ito. Very manipis. Nabebend siya, oh. And then, ba't makapal to? Ano to? Wala lang. Yung mga kailangan for the ano. Yung wipes. Ito yung pang flat. And pang sticker. And then, meron pa sa ilalim. Ito. Dito mo papatong yung phone. Ganun. And the clear case. Matigas ba si clear case o hindi? Ay, walang seal. Ito sa side, naka-seal siya. Matigas siya, hindi siya jelly type. Tingnan natin kung gumalaw yung aso ko. Kala may kumakatok. Si camera bump is mako-cover ni casing. Well, indeed. Na ano ng casing. Ganda! I'm excited to use this. See you on YouTube.